Hello guys, the today video is a special video. It's a gem, I would say. So I just want to put it out there before you watch it. This is nothing like you have seen before on this channel, but you know what, I thought it's gonna be a very fun thing to share with you. And as I was recording, it's totally started out just a painting and it ended up with something else. Guys, I can't stop now. I need to paint in here and I want to take this one out. I cut it, but this gives a nice vibe to this bathroom. This window would look so cute without this accent color. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, it's my spoon. Woo! It's rolling. It's rolling in there. You know what? I'm just going to paint as is. It's not coming out. I don't care how is it going to look. No. No. Ooh. Oh. I'm not pulling out this drawer. It's gonna stay there and I'm going to seal it with the paint, so make sure it sticks to that and nothing can come out from there. But I'm very looking forward to it when we're going to take down these things just like in the kitchen and do a nice remodeling. However, first we're gonna do the other bathroom and then we have some outside work like the chicken coop and all those things. So that's why I'm painting this to white, because this color situation is just, I think the white will help. Not the appropriate paint. It's not an oil-based paint, it's just a wall paint, but I don't care. As long as something covers this thing, I just want to cover it. Blah, 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 blah. Yuck! The situation looks so much better, and I changed clothes because it's getting really hot in here now. The highlight of the day. So today I went to the barn and I find this, and I'm totally going to do that. Where should I start? Top or the bottom? Is there a metal in there? You know, stop. Great. Whew. I need a snack. Shoes. Okay. Ow! Ah. I need a different tool. Whoa! I swear there's a metal piece in the middle. There's gotta be something. I cut it, but it seems like there's a metal piece in the middle or something. Is it possible?
Nem tudom, szerintem nincsen. Nincsen, csak amikor vágod, akkor húznod kéne magad fele, mert ahogy nyomod, beszorítja a fülészt. Tolatom meg fölötte, és adom meg szegbe. Aztán a blade-et tönkre teszik.
Let's do what Joel said. What? Okay, it's coming. Okay. Seriously? Oh. 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 Haha. There's a giant screw there. Ah! Like, what the heck? Okay. 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 Ha. Woo, it's coming. It's really coming. Oh my god. Oops. Oh my god. Oh, Jod told me make sure I don't get this off, but it came off. Should I just take it off? I think I'm just going to take it off. I mean, I can put it back, right? Oh. Oh, okay. I think it's done.
Never understand the things that we want. Why do you keep coming back? I want love, you don't. No. So why are you here? Yeah. I should take it back so that you don't know where my heart is at. Don't want you to know my love is lost. Oh, well, there's only one thing left to do. My heart is breaking, wanting you, so I'll.
Okay guys, are you ready to see how it turned out? Okay guys, so this is how it looks like now, and this is very far from being super nice or perfect. I admit this, but it will work for now until we get around to refinish this bathroom and remodel everything here. I think I can live with this color. It's gonna be more bright and light and feels more clean, and I cannot wait to share with you once we start to remodel that space. As you can see, we still have a lot to do over here, but we're also working on other things. There's a little sneak peek of the bedroom. I did some redecorating over there. Jod did some project in the bedroom as well, so we are continue working the indoors and outdoors. Okay guys, so this was the bathroom project for now, but here's another thing that I wanted to share with you because it's a special moment, and it happened as I'm editing this video right now today. And I thought it would be nice to include you in this moment so we can celebrate together. The audio actually less than good because I accidentally put a tape over it, because usually I put a note which camera I use for what video. So yeah, the audio it's not great, so I try to just put text over where I think something I said that it's worth to hear. And also I wanna say a huge thank you to you guys from the bottom of my heart, and words cannot express what I feel. I just feel very grateful to you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you guys soon. Bye.
We try